video we are going to see how to create our own level by using a staircase calculation, and also we are going to troubleshooting by using a coding for our renaming our level. So first, for creating your level, you need to go to your elevation, and after that, for creating the mathematics system, we are coming, for example, here. For using a mathematics system for using a staircase system for creating your level, you need to go to the level panel, and we are going to here delete anything which is in the offset, but first we are going to click our peak line and we are going to delete everything in offset uh, box, and here we are going to use mathematics option. First we need to add our equal symbol, and then we are going to click and choose the number of our stair in our staircase. For example, our staircase supposed to be 18 stair. From first level to second level, we are going to have 18 stair. So we are going, for example, to choose 18 stair here by choosing the number. Then we are going to pick the star, and after that, we need to add the value of the amount of our tree or the height of our stair from each other. For example, our stairs are supposed to go up by 17 centimeter from each other. So here we are going to add 17 centimeter. And since my unit is meter, so I need to add the value like this, 0.17. And after you add your equal, the number of your star symbol, and the amount of your high, then you just need to move your mouse scroll to your window, your working place. You do not need to click or press any button. Just move your mouse and you will see Revit use his mind to create your amount, the value for your offset. So this option is a very smart option to know your value. Revit is also work as your calculation system, and it is already ready. By clicking on your previous line, your level will be created by this value, and you can, for example, just copy your value, go to the array, and use this value to create as many as level as you wish by a right amount of value. Later on, for example, if you would like to draft your staircase, you just need to, for example, draft it by adding the information such as the number of the stair, the amount of stair height, and so on in your staircase setting. Then everything will be alright. You are not going to have any problem. You are not going to use any top offset or base offset, because your level created in a right proportion, in a right amount of value, and you can use this mathematics system as you wish in any type of project. The next setting we are going to work is about troubleshooting for renaming your levels. As you know, in some of the countries, or in, for example, some of the projects, we are going to work our project from the ground floor. For example, the lobby of the building will be named, will be pronounced as a ground floor. After that, we are going to have first floor, second floor, third floor, and so on. But in a different type of in the other type of the building, we are going to create our own our project even from our lobby, starting from first floor. So we are not going to pronounce our lobby as a ground floor. We are going to pronounce it as a first floor, second, and so on. Since Revit using an alphabet system for calculating and creating, G is located before F in alphabet. And here we are going to face a problem. Now we are going to how we can fix and where is this problem coming from. By clicking and deleting these labels, and Revit will say warning, we are going to delete these elements. We are going to say okay, no problem. So for now we are going to rename this level first, created for example ground floor, and then we are going to create our next level, for example for first floor, second floor. It's enough, and we are going to rename it to second floor, and for example actually it's a first floor because we started from ground. First floor. The next one we are going to rename this one like second floor. So here we go. In your floor plans, I don't know where did I create this. Okay, we created in a structure plans, not in our floor plans. In a structure plans, we will see first floor is located before ground floor. It's just about the visualization. It's not going to affect your level because as you see the number is different and it's right, but the visualization situation is wrong because we want the first floor will be after the ground floor, not the ground floor coming after the first floor. And Revit is using the alphabet situation, and we cannot change the alphabet situation for the Revit. The thing we can do, the process we can troubleshoot this situation is using a coding system, which I prefer to use this coding system for any types of creation. For example, if I want to create my architecture level, I'm going to use the coding system, which we are going to work with that. Or I'm going to, for example, use the coding system for creating my structure level. How to use this coding system for this situation? We need to go rename and use 000 dot ground floor. Okay, so we will see 00 dot ground floor. For first floor we are going to choose first floor, and we are going to add the value 01 dot first floor, and second floor we are going to rename it to 02 dot second floor. So in this case, we are going to rename our project and everything will be all right here because you will see 00 ground floor is first, 01 first floor, and second floor. Even if you are having lots of level and you don't have time or you don't want to rename it specifically to add 0001 and so on, just you need to add 00 dot, that's it for your ground floor. Then you are troubleshooting your renaming situation for your level, even for the skyscraper project and so on, which including so many levels. You just need to rename your first level by adding the value of 00 dot ground floor. If you don't use a ground floor name, everything will be fine because you will see first floor, the second floor is coming after the first floor. So in this way we are going to fix our problem. But I really suggest you to use this coding system for your all of your level, or as you can you use this coding situation, because later on maybe you are going to have a different alphabet which is coming before that. For example, one name will start with one alphabet. For example, uh, your level name is with D. For example, your second floor, let's rename it will be starting with D, we don't know, for example, decoration floor or any type of floor, which the name is starting with D. As you see, D is coming before first, so it's getting wrong again. And it might happen several times because you have your name and you want to use your name, but you don't want to see the visualization by mistake. To fix this situation, you can use a coding system from the scratch. This is the way how we can troubleshooting our own level.